Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with front and rear park assist, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, Buick infotainment system, OnStar emergency communication system, AM/FM Sirius XM radio, power passenger lumbar control seat adjuster, garage door transmitter, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, preferred equipment group 1SL, heated driver and front passenger seat, and has less than 75,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests, and we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.